In this episode, we will control an LED using the Raspberry Pi Pico. This is the classic beginner experiment and teaches us how a GPIO pin can be configured as a digital output. Our circuit uses GP15, an LED, a 220 ohm resistor, and ground. Connect GP15 to the LED anode. Connect the LED cathode through the resistor to GND. The resistor helps limit current through the LED. We import pin from the machine module. The machine module provides MicroPython classes that allow us to control the Pico's hardware. We create an LED object using pin 15 and configure it as pin.out. This tells the Pico that GP15 will be used to control an output device. The value method sets the GPIO state. A value of 1 turns the output on, while a value of 0 turns it off. We use time.sleep to wait 1 second between each state. Start the Wokwi simulation. The LED should turn on for 1 second and then off for 1 second, repeating continuously. Try changing the sleep time from 1 second to half a second or 2 seconds. This changes the blinking speed and helps you understand how timing affects the program. You have now learned how to configure a Pico GPIO as an output and control an LED. Next, we will make the Pico respond to a physical input using a push button.